we would like to give a special thanks to Moose for providing us with this toy. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Shopkins Little Secrets. There's a tiny world inside of this little lock. This is a whole new way to play with Shopkins for ages 5 and up.
They're so small. They're so cute.
I don't know why, but for me, when things are really small, I think they are so cute. And these are teeny tiny. This is the Pretty Paws Shopkins Little Secrets with an exclusive teeny shoppy and tiny Shopkin. At the bottom, it says, unlock a world using your secret map. On the back, you can see several different play sets in the collection, and it says, unlock a world of surprises. Use your secret map, crack the code, and open your lock to reveal a tiny world with little secrets. Explore, find secrets to adore with teeny shoppies and tiny Shopkins. Will you get a special finish secret lock? Wow, there's so many different ones. Fluffy, that sounds like fun. So inside, we should find one playset, one teeny shoppy, one tiny Shopkin, a map, and a collector's guide. At the bottom, there are some simple instructions to open our secret lock. Match, scratch, unlock. We got it. Let's get this out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, you get a lock and a little gold package that says secret map inside. Let's open that. Just remove the tape from the back and gotta get to the map because we can't even see our teeny shoppies until we unlock it. And we need the map to unlock it. There we go. Wait, gotta open it up. Where is the map? Whoa! There is a lot going on in this map. We can see several of our favorite little shoppies. Oh, sorry. Here they are teeny shoppies. In the top corner it says, find these Shopkins on the map, scratch them to reveal your secret code. So we are looking for these 3 Shopkins. And we have to find them somewhere in all of this. Ooh! Found one. It was right by my thumb. I'm using a coin to scratch it to reveal the code. And this looks like a paw print. So for my first one, I have to turn it to the paw print. This is the next one. So where is it? Oh, there it is. And our next little symbol is it's a little doggy bone. So let's move that to the bone. This is our last Shopkin. That one is blending in because everything is like pink. It's got some great camouflage. Oh wait, there it is. Found it. And the code is, it's a little bow. So we turn this one to the bow and we have the entire code to unlock our tiny world. It's fuzzy. Here is the doll. Let's get her out of the plastic. From the Pretty Paws playset, here is Belle and Buddy Bone, who is also fluffy. Now these are super small. The teeny shoppy is about 1 inch and Buddy Bone is less than ½ inch. The teeny shoppy has articulation at the waist. She can sit down. How cool is that? Oops, she fell over. There you go. And the playset looks like so much fun. There are a lot of little fun spaces. Here's a fuzzy tub. You can see some bubbles along the side. I believe the teeny shoppy can fit in there. Look, she can. There are some little levels. Those are great places to store your tiny Shopkins. And a bird cage. Wow, it opens. There are little spots that are designed to keep the teeny shoppy in place. On the bottom level, there's a slide. It's fuzzy. You can see little paw prints. There's a little feeding station right here and another place to put the shoppy. so she can stand on the bottom level. Then there's a little pet bed and a pet house, which have little pegs to fit the tiny Shopkin. So now our fuzzy Shopkin can relax on a fuzzy bed. And when we place it on the peg in front of the house, there is a little pink bone on the side, and if we move it, then our tiny Shopkin can go in and out of the house. And when playtime is over, you can just close it up and lock it until next time. But be sure to remember the code. Otherwise, you're gonna have a tough time getting your teeny shoppy out. The top of the lock can open so you can clip it onto your bag and take it with you. And there is more fun to be had on the map. If you flip it over, it says, Little Secrets Game. Many little secrets hide on the map. Can you spot them all? Tick them off as you go. So there is a mountain goat somewhere on this map. So let's flip it over and try to find the mountain goat. What? How are we supposed to find a mountain goat in all of this? Since it's a mountain goat, let's look at the little mountain area. Yep, found it. It's right there on top. One down. A few more to go. And it looks like I have a few more little secrets to unlock as well. Ooh, the Pretty Paws playset also comes in a regular finish. So our Shopkins collection is getting bigger while our Shopkins are getting smaller.
Wait, does that even make sense?
Well, we have Shoppies, Lil Shoppies, and now Teeny Shoppies. We could pretend like little Shoppies are little sisters and the teeny Shoppies are toys for our Shoppies and little Shoppies. Ah! Whoa, that's a lot of Shoppies. But it all adds to the fun. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Shopkins Little Secrets. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.